Today, we're comparing three popular investment platforms: Webull, Wealthsimple, and Moomoo. These platforms have made investing accessible to everyone, but they each offer unique features and benefits. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. Webull offers a variety of tools for technical analysis, making it ideal for more experienced traders. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, is more beginner-friendly, with features like automatic rebalancing and dividend reinvesting. Moomoo also offers a robust set of analysis tools, but stands out with its unique Level 2 market data feature. All three platforms are commission-free for stock trades. However, Webull and Moomoo offer free trades on options, while Wealthsimple charges a nominal fee. Wealthsimple has no account minimum, whereas Webull and Moomoo require a $500 and $2,000 minimum, respectively. Wealthsimple has the most user-friendly interface with a clean design and easy-to-understand instructions. Webull and Moomoo both have more complex interfaces, but they come with more detailed information and analysis tools, which could be beneficial for advanced traders. Moomoo stands out for its integration with Futu, a tech-driven brokerage with access to Hong Kong and US markets. Webull integrates with major banks for easy transfers, while Wealthsimple integrates with third-party apps like Mint for comprehensive financial management. All three platforms perform well, with quick trade executions. However, Webull and Moomoo, with their advanced features, may cater better to day traders and those who value real-time market data. Wealthsimple is better suited for long-term passive investors. Webull, Wealthsimple, and Moomoo all take security seriously and use encryption to protect user data. All three are also members of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA), providing further assurance to users. Wealthsimple offers phone and email support, and Moomoo offers 24/7 live chat support. Webull stands out with its comprehensive help center, live chat, and email support. While all three platforms have their strengths, Webull comes out on top for its advanced features, free options trading, and comprehensive support. It's ideal for experienced traders, but may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. That wraps up our comparison of Webull, Wealthsimple, and Moomoo. Each platform offers unique benefits, so consider your investment strategy and personal preferences when choosing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Thank you for watching.